How to get ChatGPT on your Apple Watch. Forget about the phone as a replacement for Siri. Just throw it right on the wrist. OpenAI's ChatGPT conversational chatbot is taking the tech industry by storm, and now you can ask it things right on your wrist, thanks to a new app for Apple Watch called Petey. It sounds kind of pleasant, no?
Yeah. I mean, just having this, if you just don't carry a phone, but you just have your watch, you can just ask questions. It'd be a nice companion.
Hey, Petey. If you haven't been keeping up on ChatGPT, it is the next generation language model that understands everything. Understands you better than you. Petey comes with a watch face complication that makes it very easy to access without having to navigate your apps to open it. That makes it a handy alternative to asking questions of Siri, which 9 times out of 10 returns a series of web results. Yeah, we're all familiar with that. So look, it's an entire watch face. How do I build a treehouse? Building a treehouse involves several steps, such as selecting a suitable tree, designing. Yeah, it's doing its ChatGPT thing, but just on your wrist.
Yeah.
It was previously called WatchGPT, but then the name had to be dropped because of trademark issues. PD is currently priced at $4.99. It's available on the App Store, and the app requires watchOS 9, so it should work on Apple Watch Series 4 and newer. It supports 14 languages, and more are set to be added over time. This is cool. Nice find, Will.
Simple.